up here, can't I? What's that down there then? Look. It's like a church.
It's like a tower.
Yeah, look, down there. Ah, this is amusement park for kids.
It's amusement car.
Yeah. Oh, they're like Universal Studio.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's what she's going on about. Maybe the rides are included in the park.
I don't know. Oh, wow.
This is like...
Enchanted Kingdom.
yeah.
Wow.
The gondola ride, look, and things like that. Yeah. It's for children though, isn't it?
Look. Look.
No, there's no way I'm going on that. That's a roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
Yeah, it looks closed to me.
But there's no, I did not see any roller coaster
No,
yet.
it looks closed.
Maybe it's not yet operating.
Yeah, I like doing those things. Now, when I've been at amusement parks like Universal Studios,
Yeah.
you pay to go in and then the rides are included.
So maybe we can go around the park.
That's what the $600 is for.
Yeah.
I think that's what she's trying to say, is that you only get 2 hours.
Yeah.
Right.
Wow.
Really, this is for children.
You are a child. Are you a
I don't
child?
mind doing the teacup ride.
Teacup ride?
Well, that's that one round the water.
Oh?
I'm not doing any dangerous ones.
That's the dangerous one, no? But I think it's not working.
I've done one of those before. You go up and they drop down. You go up to that tower and it drops down. Puts your stomach
Cable car,
puts your stomach in your eyes.
oh.
Yeah.
Look at that. Gold mine.
I thought this was going to be some cultural centre. I thought it was going to be an Aboriginal cultural centre about the Aboriginal people, but it's not. It's just the name of the park. Yeah.
Maya Adventure.
Oh, maybe there are shows going on. Everything's closed.
It says open, regular maintenance. There, darling. Oh, we did not go. Maybe that area there is the Aboriginal,
Go on, go this way, go on.
Aladdin Pavilion,
Come on then.
Culture Square.
Get them out of the rides. you've got time to do a ride, or you can start walking around all these things. Yeah, do you really want to do that?
Okay, we go ride.
Right, come on then.
We go back.